will be a review video slash first impression video. I'm going to review another Maybelline product, that is Colossal Kajal Super Black. I am actually getting a lots of good reviews about this kajal. The people who are using it, they are really recommending it to me, as according to them this is the best kajal they have been using. So first of all, let's go through the packaging. The packaging look like this, and I think it's bit attractive. Yeah, it attracted me as well because I was in a shopping mall and it just caught my eyes, and I was like, hey, I want to buy this out, and I got it. So yeah, the packaging is good, and it says it is super black, super smooth, super lasting, and all that stuff which every kajal claims. But this one is, I think, really different from other products because people are really recommending this one very strongly that you should use it and you should give it a shot. So I bought this one, and the maximum retail price of this kajal is 300 rupees. So let's open it together. Okay. Oh, and it says that it is 16-hour intense waterproof, and I have been getting reviews that yes, it stays up to 12 hours. Like, it's really working good on most of the people. So I think, and I hope actually, that it will work on me as well, because I am crazy about those kajals which really stays on for a longer period of time, as I am a kajal freak. I cannot go out without kajals. So let's see. The packaging is very cute, tiny, and it is similar to the previous Colossal Kajal, but the only difference is that the background is black this time, and the description of the product is in yellow color, and previously it was the background was yellow and the description was in black color. So this is the first difference which I can see. So let's open it and see what is inside it. So this is the kajal coming out. See, the amount of kajal is quite good. This is the whole product, and it is similar to the previous one, of course. So let's see how pigmented it is. I'll swatch it for you here. Oh my god, it is, I think, oh my god, it is highly pigmented, as you can see, and it glides on really easily and very smoothly. So you don't have to apply pressure to get the maximum pigmentation. You can just glide it on your waterline for like 2 to 3 times, and you will be getting the most intensely pigmented kajal. So yeah, I like the pigment already, and let's give it some time to settle down, and after that we will see that if it smudges out or not. So let's see what's going on. Oh my god, as you can see, it's not smudging out, and trust me, I am applying pressure on it, but not at all. It's not at all fading. It's completely there, out there. I really love this kajal. I don't know how long it will stay on my eyes, but yeah, for now I'm already loving it. See, I cannot see any smudges around it. I really cannot see any smudges around it. See, it is really great. It is really amazing. I really like it. I think the first impression of this kajal on me is great. It gets a thumbs up from my side for now, and I hope this will work on my eyes for a longer period of time. As I said, I have oily skin, but yeah, still, if it's working on my hand, it will work out on my eyes as well. So yeah, I'm really happy with this product, and I will let you know that how long it stayed on my waterline, and yeah, I'll be posting it very soon. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please try out this kajal. As for now, I'm liking it very much. I am really amazed by this product. I'm really excited to try it on as soon as possible. If you missed anything about this, please go through the description box, and I'll be listing everything, each and everything regarding this kajal in the description box, and do let me know how you felt about this kajal. And yeah, this is it for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. The button will be here, I guess, or there somewhere. So please hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye guys and stay stylish.